For thousands of years, humans have lived in Alaska and have become accustomed to their surroundings and environment. Besides the beautiful mountains and wildlife in Alaska, anyone can tell you that the snow, ice, and freezing cold temperatures is a very prominent feature of the colossal state. Utqiagvik, previously known as Barrow, is no exception to this. Barrow is the northernmost town in Alaska and lies on the Arctic Ocean shore at a shivering latitude of 71 degrees north. It is believed that there has been a settlement at Barrow since the year 500 AD. It is no secret that climate change is causing the world to warm. This increase in temperature is most intense in the high latitudes around the Arctic Ocean, like Alaska. From 1979 to 2017, the average temperature at Barrow has increased by 7 degrees Fahrenheit. This warming has caused a decrease in Arctic sea ice by approximately 3.8% every 10 years since 1979. Barrow is a very remote community, and this causes food at grocery stores to be extremely costly. Due to high prices of the basic necessities, people of Barrow tend to hunt for whales as a food source to keep costs down. It is a tradition for the 4,000 people of Barrow and has been for generations before. It brings pride to the people, yet they also rely on hunting as a major food source. However, with the decrease in sea ice, the people hunting for whales must go farther out into the water where it is much more dangerous. This has led to less whales being hunted and a smaller food supply for the town. In addition to a thinning food supply, the ice shelf is not as strong as it used to be. Snowmobiles, people, and animals can fall right through the ice because it is not as thick as it once was. This is also another dangerous effect of the rise in temperature and decrease of sea ice in the northern latitudes. Unfortunately for Barrow, there is not much that the town can do to fix the sea ice. This is a product of climate change due to anthropogenic greenhouse gases and aerosols. If nations around the world can come together to reduce emissions in a timely manner, then the sea ice could return, but this is very optimistic and very far into the future.